How
Step
long does that
three,
process take from, like, let's say the site visit, assuming there's no changes or anything like that? Like, are we talking about like a week, a month?
I usually say that our process is 3 steps, and each step takes between 2 and 3 months. So
Mhm,
after you say, yes, I like this proposal, I want to move forward, there's 2 to 3 months to create the permit submittal package.
mhm,
That can be dramatically shortened. It usually takes that long because you're designing a home, even within constraints, and customers have a lot of like back and forth, and they want to like really review and make changes and edits.
mhm,
And then from there, we have to do custom engineering and pull together a foundation plan. But okay, we'll say 1 to 3 months to create the permit submittal package. We submit it. It's 2 to 3 months for local cities to approve it. Technically, as I mentioned before, this is ministerial, and under state law, cities only have 60 days to approve permits.
mhm.
Pandemic, they're not hitting it.
They're not
Often
doing it.
it
Yeah.
takes 90 days, but it's fast. It's much, much, much faster than traditional entitlements processes.
Oh yeah, big time.
So we'll say at worst, usually 120 days to get your permits approved. And that's stick building. I mean, for us, because we're pre-approved at the federal level on the building department side, we can skip that permitting process. So it's even more efficient and faster. And then the construction is only like 2 or 3 months. The unit is built in the factory in a month, about a little bit less actually. It's the site work that actually takes time. We've got to get back there and do some grading, build a foundation. All the different utilities have to be connected. That process takes about 2 months. The set of the unit onto the foundation is like 48 hours. And
Mhm.
then there's usually 2, 3, 4 weeks of kind of finishing work, touching some things up, connecting corners and finishing flooring. And sometimes we do like on-site stucco to finish the unit. We got to get a final inspector out there, a certificate of occupancy. But overall, you're looking at 6 to 9 months of total project time from the day you say yes to your proposal until you have keys in hand.
Yeah. So it sounds like I think one of the real benefits for people is if they don't want to be like managing a GC, if they don't want to be managing the subcontractors as well too, like it sounds like the construction process is a lot easier. I've got a question for you though. So like if you guys already have a lot of the stuff, and like let's say somebody didn't want to make any changes, it sounds like the site for the plan, like that would probably be the most time consuming in the submittal of the.
No matter what. So, for example, we have an inventory unit right now, which is rare for us. So, this is a completed unit that was built that we absorbed into our inventory, and we've got it sort of wrapped and in a secure location with our delivery installer. So, the unit's built, and we've had customers who are interested in that unit because
It's ready to go.
tomorrow, like I want to live in it tomorrow in my backyard. Doesn't actually, it saves you a ton of time, but it doesn't save you like 9 months of time. We still need like a week to put together the permit package. There's no skipping the 60 to 120 days of city permit review on the building's done on the building department side, but on the planning department side, we have to go through that. Fire department has to have their say. And then we still have to do site construction, right? Like, so we're still gonna have to do the grading, the foundation, the utilities, all that. But it'll shave a couple months, and it'd be more like a 4 to 6 month project than a 6 to 9 month project.
Yeah. Okay. Cool, man.